Hey everyone, let us check out the Panasonic NN-SN65KB Microwave Oven. This powerful 1200-watt appliance features smart inverter technology for even cooking. Genius sensor cooking takes out all the guesswork. You also get quick popcorn buttons and turbo defrost options. The compact design saves valuable counter space in your kitchen. Enjoy faster meals and a seamless cooking experience every single day. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.